Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your steak soft. We'll cover selecting the right cuts, effective pre-cooking preparation, optimal cooking methods, and crucial post-cooking steps to ensure a tender, delicious result every time. Get ready to transform your steak cooking skills and enjoy perfectly soft, flavorful meat that melts in your mouth. Before cooking, selecting the right cut is key. Consider options like filet mignon or ribeye. Marinating with acidic ingredients, such as citrus juice or vinegar, for at least 2 hours can significantly tenderize. Mechanically, tenderizing with a meat mallet also breaks down tough fibers. Don't forget to salt your steak generously for at least 40 minutes before cooking. When cooking, searing your steak quickly at high heat creates a delicious crust while keeping the inside juicy. Aim for a medium-rare internal temperature, around 135 degrees Fahrenheit, for optimal tenderness. For thicker cuts, a reverse sear ensures even cooking. Alternatively, slow cooking tougher cuts for several hours can break down connective tissues beautifully. The final steps are crucial for a truly soft steak. Always rest your cooked steak for 5 to 10 minutes. This allows juices to redistribute, preventing dryness. When slicing, cut against the grain of the meat to shorten the muscle fibers, making each bite incredibly more tender. Consider adding a pat of butter or fresh herbs during the rest for extra flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.